Welcome back to Lamoda Academy, Indonesia. You're here with me, Gayu, and Lizzie. Let's continue with today's lesson.
Before moving on to the measurements required for drafting patterns using the Indonesian pattern system, it is important to first understand its recommended usage, as well as its advantages and limitations. This will help us determine when this system is appropriate and when other pattern systems may be more efficient. Now, we will discuss about the advantages of the Indonesian basic bodice pattern system. First, it is ideal for fitted silhouettes. The Indonesian system is characterized by two darts, a shoulder dart and a waist dart. These darts help shape the garment to follow the body's natural proportions, making this system ideal for slim fit and body contouring designs. Second, it is suitable for designs with complex paneling. Because it has two darts, this system offers great flexibility in dart manipulation and redistribution. It is especially suitable for designs with multiple cuts or panels, such as origami-style garments.
Third, adapted to Indonesian women's body proportions. The Indonesian pattern system is a refinement of the Mainiki and Bunka systems, adjusted to suit the proportions of Indonesian women who generally have a more petite frame and a shorter torso compared to Western body types. As a result, garments made with this system tend to fit more comfortably and proportionally. Fourth, best for slim body types. This system works most effectively for slim figures, particularly those with smaller waistlines. While it can be adapted for fuller waists, the pattern construction becomes significantly more complex and requires additional adjustments.
And the fifth is highly recommended for custom-made garments. The Indonesian system is ideal for custom-made clothing, where each garment is designed for a single individual. Because the pattern follows the wearer's body shape closely, the result is a highly precise and exclusive fit. However, the drafting process is more time-consuming, which naturally affects production time and pricing. Now let's discuss about the limitations of the Indonesian pattern system. First, it has more complex calculations and construction. Compared to dressmaking or simple method, the Indonesian system requires more detailed formulas and longer drafting time. Second, it is less suitable for larger waistlines. For individuals with larger waists or prominent abdominal areas, dart placement can overlap or intersect, making the pattern difficult to construct. In such cases, simpler systems are often more practical. Third, it is not efficient for mass production. Due to the time-intensive and detailed nature of this system, it is not recommended for large-scale production. Now let's discuss about recommended applications of this pattern. The Indonesian basic pattern system is best used for garments that require a precise fit, emphasize body silhouette, and involve complex construction or multiple panels. Examples include blazers and professional workwear, fitted dresses, kabaya, evening gowns, bridal gowns, and formal wear, bustiers, camisoles, or corsets derived from the basic pattern. Next, we will move on to the measurements and theoretical foundation required to draft the Indonesian basic bodice pattern. That wraps up this topic. Thank you for learning with me and Lizzie at Lamoda Academy, Indonesia. We'll continue in the next video. See you in the next lesson.